Hey everyone, ready to travel smarter and greener? Today I'm sharing how I cut my travel carbon footprint in half and save some serious cash along the way. First up, let's talk about flights. Planes are massive carbon emitters, but you can minimize their impact. I always choose direct flights. Fewer takeoffs and landings mean less fuel burned. Plus, it's a time saver. Not only did I reduce my carbon footprint, but I also got to my destination faster. Win-win. Next, let's tackle accommodation. I started booking eco-friendly hotels. These places use renewable energy, recycle waste, and often support local communities. Websites like Green Key and Book Different make it easy to find them. Not only did I feel good about my choices, but I often found these hotels to be reasonably priced, if not cheaper, than traditional ones. Now, let's talk about getting around once you're there. Public transportation is your best friend. Buses, trains and bikes are way more eco-friendly than taxis or rental cars. I saved loads of money and enjoyed seeing the city from a local's perspective. It's a totally different experience. And hey, walking is free and keeps you fit. Food! Eating local and seasonal food minimizes transportation emissions and supports the local economy. I ditched big chains for local eateries and markets. The food was delicious, cheaper, and I got to try authentic dishes. Plus, fewer food miles mean a lighter carbon footprint. Why not savor some local flavors while saving the planet? Lastly, pack light. Every pound counts when it comes to flights. A lighter suitcase means the plane uses less fuel. I stick to the essentials and use multi-purpose items. It's less hassle and better for the environment. So there you have it. By choosing direct flights, staying in eco-friendly accommodations, using public transport, eating local and packing light, I cut my travel carbon footprint in half. And I saved money in the process. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your travel buddies. Let's all travel smarter and greener. Thanks for watching and see you in the next adventure.